Thank you for joining me for my garden cleanup. Hello friends, my yard is a complete mess. I'm having people over for the holidays and I need to get it cleaned up. I need to bleach my sidewalk, pull the weeds, trim some of the flowers and bushes. So I've got to get to work. Look at these moldy chairs. This place is out of control. I'm going to start off bleaching the walls and scrubbing the moldy chairs. I ended up having to bleach the walls more than once, and I had to scrub the chairs 2 times. I also had to bleach the sidewalk 2 or 3 times. Now it's time to start pulling weeds. I live in Florida and weeds grow year-round. They're like laundry and dishes. You're never caught up, they never go away. Isn't my aloe plant beautiful? I will actually be able to see it when I'm done. I've worked my way over to the other side. Plenty of weeds over here too. See that cactus in the orange pot? I don't think I want that anymore. Time to sweep things up now. I know my table and chairs are in rough shape, but that's a job for another day. Oh look, more weeds. Well, at least this is the last section. All right, friends, I know that this isn't picture perfect, but it's a heck of a lot better than it was. Over here, I've pulled the weeds, cleaned those chairs, and also got the mold off of the wall. This is what it looked like before. It's so much better now. I also got the mold off of this wall, so that looks so much better. Over here, remember this spot? It was full of weeds. Here, this will help you remember how awful it was. We got the weeds pulled out of there. I could use a leaf blower to get these leaves out of here, and later this week I'll do that. Look how dirty the sidewalk is, and this overgrowth. I got this area cleaned up and all the weeds pulled. My beautiful rose bush is in bloom. Look at that, how lucky am I? The front porch looks good. I was able to tackle this mess. It's so much better now. I do need to paint this table and chairs, and maybe that's something I can do in the early springtime. I do need to bleach this patio. It's disgusting. And maybe I'll be able to do that this week. Oh, I also trimmed that bush. So everything is looking really good. Again, it's not picture perfect, but you know, it's a heck of a lot better than it was. And I won't be completely embarrassed when people show up at my house for the holidays. I hope you enjoyed my garden cleanup. If so, I would love a thumbs up. As always, thank you for watching.